Hey guys, Marisa at kitchentablestamper.com, and I am excited to share with you what's cooking in the online classroom for July. In July, we're featuring It Starts with Art, and we've got two options with product for you, and we've got It Starts with Art completely virtual in the online classroom. So we got a couple of options here for this class. Class includes 4 cards, 3 3x3s, a standard A2 card. It's got this great little post-it pad, a box to store all your cards, post-it pad, a little watercolor palette, all in the online classroom. Now, option A includes the Stampin' Up product. So if you are interested in getting It Starts with Art, all the kits and the little watercolor palette that you see here, videos, project sheets, written instructions, all included in one kit. That's option number 1. It Starts with Art, and your kits and the online classroom is $35. If you require shipping, it's an additional $8 for USPS priority shipping. Option number 2 with product is to get the It Starts with Art bundle. The It Starts with Art bundle includes It Starts with Art stamp set, the arts and crafts dies, apply the bundle discount for you. You'll still get all of the kits for the projects that you see here, the online classroom access, and that one is $67 plus $8 priority shipping if you require. Now, for option A, I know that some of you might have the It Starts with Art stamp set already. But you still want the kits, you want the online classroom access, you can absolutely substitute a different $20 stamp set for It Starts with Art, and you will see that on the form. So when you click the link to fill out the form, you'll let me know, do you want It Starts with Art, the kits in the online classroom for $35? Do you want the It Starts with Art bundle, the kits in the online classroom for $67? Or would you like to substitute the It Starts with Art stamp set? It's a $20 stamp set, and still get the kits and the online classroom access. So those are your options for option A. Now, option B is for those of you who either have all the Stampin' Up products that you need. Maybe you have a demonstrator you love. Maybe you are a demonstrator. Maybe you don't live in the United States and I can't sell products outside the United States. So there's an option for you, and it includes the online classroom access. In the online classroom, there will be a video for each of the projects that you see here and a printable project sheet with full color photos, measurements, supply list, and step-by-step instructions. Access to the online classroom is virtual. It'll be delivered to your email box. It's $15. That's option B. There's a PayPal button for that. If you like option A, fill out the form by July 15th, and I will process those orders when I get back from the incentive trip. They will be shipped out in the last week of July. Access to the online classroom will be granted the same week. All right, you guys, if you've got questions about It Starts with Art and the online classroom, you can email me, Marisa at kitchentablestamper.com, to read the details or to register for class or get access to the online classroom. Check out kitchentablestamper.com/online classroom. All right, you guys, I will see you in the online classroom. Thanks for watching.